Hi friends, so in past videos I got a few requests for uploading non-veg recipes, so in upcoming videos I'll be uploading few of them. And this recipe is about prawn, one of my favorite dishes. This is prawn dahi masala, and for that I have cleaned the prawns and I'm just devining them, and then I'm marinating it with a little bit of salt, lemon juice. This is ginger garlic and green chili paste and turmeric powder. If you want, you can add a little bit of chili powder also, and I will keep this to marinate for around 20 minutes. Now in a karhai I just heated around 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, and I'll just fry the prawn. Frying prawn doesn't take much time, so be very quick in it. So it will take approximately 3 to 4 minutes for both sides. Yes. So once done, I've just kept it aside, and in the same karhai I've just drizzled around another 3 tablespoons of oil, and adding 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic green chili paste, and I'll just saute it. This is homemade one and it's a bit watery, so if you have a thick paste, use according to your taste. Now I have added around 2 chopped onions. I'll saute it and caramelize it, and to make the process faster I'm just adding a little bit of salt. I've added no sugar to it. This is a time consuming process and I've kept the flame mostly low. So now I have added the basic masalas like coriander powder, 2 teaspoons, zira powder, another half to 1 teaspoon turmeric and red chili powder, and finally I've added a tomato puree of 2 tomatoes. Once I've fried it for around 4-5 minutes, I've switched off the flame and added half a cup of curd, which I've beaten very nicely, and I've mixed it with the masala. At this point I'll switch on the gas again and cook this masala for 3 minutes around. So yeah, I'm adding extra seasoning, and finally I'll add the prawns to it and a little bit of water. I don't want it to be full of gravy. If you wish to, you can add a little bit more of water, but it usually tastes very good when it is a little bit dry in nature. So now I'll cover and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes or till done, and this is done on very medium to low heat, and it tastes excellent with roti, naan, rice. Your feedbacks are very important, so don't forget to share them. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.